Long press the upper right corner of the screen. Enter the password to log in to the backend. Click the debug page. Place a cup under the mixing module. It will be used to receive the syrup. Click Add Syrup. Keep pumping until no syrup comes out. Return to the debug page to turn off syrup. Next, go to the back of the syrup barrel. Close the valve switch of the pipeline. Then find the syrup pump, loosen, and remove the pipe clamp. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the hose. Plug the removed pipe with a paper towel to prevent the syrup in the pipe from leaking out. After completion, find the syrup barrel motor. Pull out its terminal. Then return to the front of the machine. Take the lid off the top of the syrup barrel. Next, use one hand to hold the bottom of the syrup barrel. With the other hand, hold the side of the syrup barrel. This way the syrup barrel can be removed. Then loosen and remove the 4 screws on the edge of the syrup barrel. After completion, take the stirring module out of the barrel. Use clean water to clean the stirring blades and the inner wall of the syrup barrel. After cleaning, install the stirring blades back into the barrel and tighten the screws to fix the stirring blades. Then hang the side of the syrup barrel on the sheet metal on the machine. There is a click after the syrup barrel is hung correctly. Note that the syrup barrel should press the sensor on the side. Finally, put the syrup barrel cover back on the syrup barrel. Next, go to the back of the machine. Connect the terminal of the syrup barrel motor. Then connect the syrup pipe back to the syrup pump and tighten the pipe clamp. Then open the valve switch of the pipeline. Finally, go back to the front of the machine. Long press the upper right corner of the screen. Enter the password to log in to the backend. Enter the debug page to check the syrup barrel weight.